Playandmaster is an innovative educational approach. It transforms traditional subjects into captivating games. This provides a dynamic learning experience for children. Education is combined with adventure to enhance engagement. A complimentary mystery flipbook is available for immediate access. This flipbook is filled with a variety of engaging missions. It also includes exciting challenges designed to test your skills. The flipbook features a selection of interactive games for entertainment. Download the mystery flipbook now to begin your adventure. Playandmaster revolutionizes education by moving away from traditional rote memorization. It replaces mundane homework with engaging, interactive play. The core of this new approach is problem-solving through secret missions. This method fosters a more dynamic and stimulating learning environment. Students actively participate in their education, enhancing knowledge retention. Playandmaster aims to make learning an enjoyable and effective experience. Mystery game kits transform learning into an engaging game experience. These kits are designed to make essential school subjects more appealing. Subjects covered include languages, math, science, and history. The game-like format helps to reduce the feeling of learning as a chore. This approach aims to make education more enjoyable and effective. The standard kit is a comprehensive package. It provides all necessary components for immediate use. The kit is designed to facilitate both playing and learning. It allows users to start their journey without delay. The contents are selected to support initial engagement. It ensures a ready-to-go experience for new users. The Deluxe Kit enhances the core experience with supplementary features. It provides access to additional missions, expanding the scope of gameplay. Bonus content is included to enrich the overall interactive environment. The kit offers more surprises, adding an element of unpredictability. These additions collectively extend the duration and depth of the adventure. Playandmaster is designed to capture and maintain children's attention. The platform transforms traditional study time. It converts learning into an engaging and exciting adventure. Children demonstrate focused engagement while using the application. This approach fosters a positive attitude towards learning. Playandmaster aims to make educational content more appealing to children. The game seamlessly integrates educational content into its core mechanics. Gameplay activities are designed to reinforce learning objectives. Challenges within the game require application of learned concepts. Players actively engage with educational material through interactive gameplay. This approach makes learning an engaging and rewarding experience. The game provides immediate feedback, enhancing knowledge retention. A free flipbook download is being offered. This flipbook provides a sample of Playandmaster's educational content. The purpose is to engage potential users with the platform's offerings. Users can experience the engaging content firsthand. This serves as an introduction to Playandmaster's educational resources. The kit selection interface allows users to choose educational adventure kits. Users can select a kit that best suits their specific needs and interests. Selecting a kit unlocks access to a range of educational games and activities. This system is designed to provide an engaging and tailored learning experience.